Welcome back to Road Kings. Before we start today's detailed review of the 2025 Perouda Zenix, make sure you subscribe to Road Kings so you never miss the latest car reviews, test drives, and auto comparisons, because this video is packed with information you don't want to miss. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about models of the year, the 2025 Perouda Zenix, a car designed for drivers who want power, comfort, and modern technology in one complete package. Stay with me till the end, because every feature in this model connects to the next, and you will want the full picture before deciding if this car is for you. The 2025 Perouda Zenix comes with a choice of impressive engine setups depending on market availability. The standard configuration includes a balanced and responsive power unit available in options like V6 or V8, offering strong performance for both city and highway driving. The displacement is tuned for efficiency and output, giving a solid combination of horsepower and torque to ensure smooth acceleration, confident overtaking, and reliable endurance on long routes. The engine delivers power through a refined automatic transmission, available in multiple gear options that shift smoothly to maximize both fuel economy and performance feel. The Zenix can be configured in front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or an advanced all-wheel drive system that provides extra stability and grip for rough or slippery roads. Inside the cabin, the Zenix stands out with a premium layout designed to keep every passenger comfortable. Depending on trim, seating capacity is generous, and materials range from soft-touch cloth to premium leather upholstery. Features like heated and cooled seats, multi-zone climate control, and enhanced sound insulation make the interior feel refined and relaxing. The cabin design focuses on ergonomic placement of controls and storage spaces, making it ideal for long journeys. The dashboard houses a modern infotainment system, complete with touchscreen radio, CD player options, and built-in navigation so drivers always stay connected. Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration support daily convenience, while advanced variants may include premium speakers for a richer audio experience. On the exterior, the Zenix is built with a bold presence that blends aerodynamic lines with a modern, confident look. It comes in multiple body styles depending on the variant, typically featuring a smart length, width, and height balance for smooth handling and stability. The wheelbase adds to the comfort of rear passengers and enhances the car's overall road behavior. Distinctive design touches like a signature grille, sharper LED lights, and stylish alloy wheels elevate the road appeal of the Zenix. Special edition trims even offer chrome accents and unique visual upgrades. Suspension and handling are tuned for comfort and stability. The Zenix uses an independent suspension setup in most trims, supported by quality shocks designed to absorb bumps smoothly. The steering system is usually rack and pinion, providing precise control and confident turns, making it enjoyable for both city maneuvers and highway cruising. Braking is equally reliable with strong disc brakes, properly sized to deliver quick stopping power and safety. Speaking of safety, the Zenix includes airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, lane keeping assistance, and more depending on the trim. These features ensure that every drive remains secure, giving drivers peace of mind. Additional convenience features include cruise control, power windows, power locks, and optional sunroof, making daily use easier and more enjoyable. The 2025 Perouda Zenix continues to receive updates in technology, comfort, and performance, making it a competitive option in its segment. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to Road Kings for more reviews like this and stay connected with the latest automotive updates. Thanks for watching. The next video